Alright guys, what's really good? Today I got a package in the mail. I went on the Yonaka website and I got me a set of coilovers for the Miata, and yeah, they were a pretty good deal, and I'm just gonna unbox them real quick for you guys. I already sliced open the thing, that way I don't have to stop filming. And yeah, let's pop it open. I haven't opened it yet. They come in a nice box though. Sweet. So that's pretty cool. They sent me a license plate frame. Nice. That'll probably go on the car. There's the spanner wrench tools. Nice. I'll need those to adjust. And sweet. They sent me a Yonaka t-shirt. So shout out Yonaka. They're doing real good service, real good customer service. They sent these out pretty quick. I'm sure they had a high amount of orders with Black Friday, but these came in about 5 days. So yeah, they came pretty quick. So I'm happy with that. And it's snowing outside right now too, so it's real cold. I don't know when I'll have a chance to actually install these. It might be like a week or so. They sent me a card. Sweet. Cool. And this looks like a keychain lanyard. So I'm gonna be all swagged out with Yonaka stuff. He thinks it's food or something. Yeah, let's check out these coilovers. Let me grab my razor so I can open this up, and then I'll show you guys once the packaging is open. But they come packaged really nice. It's wrapped in plastic, and there's a zip tie around it. Just kind of keeps it all snug. Sweet. And let's see. And some stickers. This is a white decal one. Sweet. So shout out Yonaka. This is pretty cool to get all this extra stuff with the order. Alright, so boom, I opened it up. Let's take a quick look. These ones I wanted to get, they're a little bit better than the Racelands. They have like the dampening thing, and I won't need to use the stock top hat, so it's a bit easier to install. You just kind of slide these on. Let's see, they feel pretty good quality though. Yeah, they feel nice and solid. We'll see how they ride. I'm sure they're going to ride the same as Racelands, because I got the Ultimos on the other Miata. But I just wanted to put my car a bit lower, and yeah, these should get the job done. So yeah, maybe if these are good, I'll get them for the other car too. My brother has the Megan Racing coilovers on his Miata, so we'll see how these compare. I'm thinking they're going to be about the same. I think the springs rates are about the same on these. But yeah, so I'll be able to go dirt nasty low. Yeah, that's about it. The video for the installation will be coming real soon. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe, and have a happy holidays, guys. I think I missed Thanksgiving, but Christmas is coming up, guys. I might be doing a giveaway on the channel, so if enough people are engaging, we might be giving away some stuff, but I'll announce that later on, maybe next week. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Peace.